So I'm going to continue here problems on the work done by the force, that is on the application part. So this is the second problem. This problem is for your homework. The answer for this work done is here, W is equals to 303. Next I am moving to the third problem. This is important problem. Observe here, find the total work done by the force represented by vector F is equals to 3xy into I minus yj plus 2zx into k in moving a particle round the circle x square plus y square is equals to 4 here. Okay, so in this problem, what is our aim here? We have to calculate total work done by this force. Okay, so a particle is moving around the circle. So which type of circle it is? This circle represents here x square plus y square is equals to 4. Okay, so this passes through the origin and radius of this circle is here 2 unit. Okay, so the circle passes through the origin here. This represents x square plus y square is equals to 4 and radius is here 2 unit and radius is here 2 unit because it is in the general form of x square plus y square is equals to r square. R square is equals to 4, r is equals to 2 here. Therefore radius of this circle is here 2 unit. Okay, so for that one, observe here what we have here. Total work done formula W is equals to integration of vector F dot dr here. Okay, so given, just write down vector F as a 3xy into I minus yj plus 2zx into vector k. Okay, and particle is moving around the circle. That circle is here x square plus y square is equals to 4. Observe here, given vector F, this is the combination of three variables x, y, z. Here we have to convert that one into single variable. Therefore we are going to apply here parametric form of the circle here. So you know that parametric forms of the circle. Okay, therefore it can be represented in the polar form. So you know that the polar form of the circle, that circle passes through the origin is x is equals to r cos theta and y is equals to r sin theta. This is the polar form of the circle here. Okay, so but in place of r we have to substitute 2. Therefore this implies x is equals to 2 cos theta, y is equals to 2 sin theta. So wherever is x, y in this equation, substitute that one as here 2 cos theta and 2 sin theta respectively. We have to replace dx now. So dx is equals to minus 2 sin theta d theta. dy is equals to 2 cos theta d theta. Therefore vector F dot dr implies, dr means you know that, write down here only, dr is nothing but dx into I plus dy into j plus dz into vector k. Okay, so dot product between these two, that implies vector F dot dr. Dot product between these two means 3xy dx minus y dy plus 2z dz, 2zx dz, coefficient of a k 2zx, coefficient of a k dz, therefore 2zx dz. Then integrate, integration of vector F dot dr over a curve C is equals to integration of 3 as it is. In place of x substitute 2 cos theta and in place of a y 2 sin theta into dx is that dx is nothing but minus 2 sin theta d theta minus y dy. Y means what we have 2 sin theta and dy represents here 2 cos theta d theta plus 2 into z is there, zx is there, z means here 0. Okay, write it here only and z is equals to 0. Okay, generally the equation of this circle in a 3-dimensional x square plus y square plus z square is equals to a square. Okay, so here in place of a z what we have 0, there is no z term here, obviously put z as a 0, then it becomes 0 into whole term means 0 only, no need to write down, continue. Okay, then so multiply here 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 into 2. Okay, what it implies here, 24 minus 24, take it outside from the integral, and integration of cos theta as it is, sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta into cos theta into d theta. Okay, then minus, this minus as it is, 2 to the 4, 4 take it outside here, separate the integration to these two terms. From first integration take minus 24 as a constant from the integration, then here 4 is a constant, take it outside from the integral, then sin theta into cos theta, sin theta into cos theta into d theta. You can write 4 as a 2 here and 2 here, why I will explain afterwards. Okay, then minus 24 as it is. Okay, and what about a theta range here? Observe, a theta lies between 0 to 2 pi, starts from 0 and ends with a 2 pi. Therefore, you can take theta as here 0 to 2 pi. Okay, 0 to 2 pi, and here also 0 to 2 pi. Okay, and write down here one, and theta lies between 0 to 2 pi. Theta lies between 0 to 2 pi. Okay, next, minus 24 as it is. Here, sin square theta cos theta is there. We have to evaluate this integral. So, write down this one, write down this one as it is, sin square theta into cos theta into d theta, minus 2 as it is. 2 sin theta cos theta, what it implies? By the formula, 2 sin theta cos theta can be written as sin 2 theta d theta. Okay, and in the first integral, put sin theta as a t. What it implies? Differentiate on both sides. Cos theta into d theta is equals to dt. Yes, so here cos theta into d theta can be written as dt. In place of a sin theta, substitute a t. So what it implies? Minus 24. Okay, and observe here integration from. If you are substituting, if you are applying integration by substitution, then we have to change the limits also. So write down here only, at t is equals to, at theta is equals to 0. In place of a theta, lower limit what we have 0, substitute here 0, sin 0, 0 only, t also tends to 0. At theta is equals to, substitute upper limit 2 pi, substitute here 2 pi, sin 2 pi, t tends to 0. Okay, 0 0 here, then what we have here, sin theta, in place of a sin theta what we have, t square, cos theta d theta means dt, minus 2 into integration of sin 2 theta minus cos 2 theta divided by 2, and what we have limits here, 0 to 2 pi. This is totally 0 because upper limit and lower limits are 0 here. Okay, first term becomes 0. Then here 2 get cancelled, minus into minus plus, then cos of 2 into 2 pi. Okay, cos of 2 into 2 pi minus lower limit what we have, 0, cos of 2 into 0, 0, cos 0. Cos 0, not theta, cos 0 here. Then what it implies, cos 4 pi. Cos 4 pi means 1 minus 1 raised to 4. Minus 1 raised to 4 means 1 minus cos 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. Therefore, work done by this force is here 0. Therefore, W is equals to 0. It completes the solution.